Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Yeah, on the Link chart, it's been a really quiet. It's been a really quiet, couple of days, few days actually. Not much happened here over the last few days, and the market certainly has not been able to follow through to the upside in a direct breakout fashion. So that hasn't materialized. Yeah. It is possible, and that's what I'm spotting on some altcoin charts, but I only want to talk about the micro level here. It is possible that the market is moving up in this 5-wave pattern as shown on the chart, on this micro pattern, that this roadmap is being followed. But first of all, it could have happened already in a more direct fashion. So it didn't. Okay, that's already a first warning that we might range for a little longer. I can, however, interpret this as a possible 1-2 setup in which the wave 2 is a flat correction, possibly a so-called running flat, where this wave 2 might form a low a little higher than the previous swing low. Yeah, so it's a so-called ABC structure, and the C wave might be nearly done. And as long as we're holding above the $21 level, that is definitely a reasonable interpretation. And I'm definitely watching for upside reversal signals, even though in the last few days we didn't really get much impulsive action to the upside, okay? But it's worth watching current price behavior, and it's worth watching the structure here for possible signals that a local low has formed. Now, looking at the short-term bearish potential, should the market break below $21, I mean, would it all be bad? Yeah. Would it all be negative? Would it all be bearish? Not necessarily. I think it could simply form or try to form one more low, but then it really needs to hold the $17.65 level here and avoid a sustained break below. Now, that being said, there are many ways how this could essentially unfold. That's the problem, because we're dealing with a messy 4-5 pattern. It's best to focus on the levels. We have short-term support between $21 and $22.38. Below that level, we have, or below that area, we have a larger support area between $17.65 and $20. Now, to give you some examples, it is possible that circle wave 4 is still unfolding. It could even unfold as a triangle. So, for example, A, B, C, D, E. Absolutely possible, okay? It is possible that the wave 4 is working on a larger, or unfolding as a larger ABC structure, where we've seen the first A wave. Now, to be fair, if this is all of wave B, it certainly is a 3-wave move, then the C wave would struggle to hold $17.65, but possible. But then, if we see it as an ABC structure, then this here would be the A wave low, the swing low from the 20th of December. The B wave might even stretch a little higher. What if this is A, B, C in B? And then we go down, would be a bit more bullish, right? So again, there are different variations of subwave structures that could unfold here, but the two support areas should capture them all. So a more direct move up should be possible against this support area. Okay, if we break below $21, pay attention to $20.16 and $17.65 again. But below $17.65, it's going to be difficult for the bulls. Should the market break higher and we break above next resistance at $28.29, then also break above the previous high, well, the $38 level would be next, yeah, $38, $39. That would be a reasonable target for the next move up. Overall, quiet at the moment, but hopefully we get some action in the next few days. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.